Today I'm making 12 bagels, which include cinnamon, sesame, brown sugar, and cheese. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of warm water, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, and a tablespoon of salt. Mix. Then add 6½ cups of flour to start with, but knead in more if needed. A drier, non-sticky texture results in a higher risen dough, vice versa. Add the dough to a flat surface and then knead until the dough becomes smooth and round. Cover the dough in a bowl and proof until it doubles in size. It took an hour for me. Divide the dough in 12 parts. It weighs about 110 grams for each ball. Fold in optional fillings. I used brown sugar, cinnamon sugar, and cheese. Pinch the sides together and then fold the fillings in. Poke a hole in the bagels and form it into a circle. Make the hole bigger than it would normally be because it will shrink when it proofs again. Then proof for 30 more minutes. Now it's time to boil the bagels. Fill the pan halfway with water and also add honey to boost the flavor. I forgot to film this part. Once the water boils, add the bagels. Boil each side for 2 minutes. Cool the bagels on a rack so they don't become soggy from the steam. For the second batch, add more water and honey to replace the amount lost. Stir and add in the bagels. Then boil each side for 2 minutes. Replace the water if the filling from before flavors the water and doesn't go well with the batch after. After all the bagels cool, add them to a parchment paper lined pan. Brush egg wash on the top. To make egg wash, mix 1 egg in a splash of water. Then thoroughly brush the egg wash onto the bagels. This helps add color and helps the toppings stick. Optionally add toppings. I added mozzarella and cheddar for cheese bagels, sesame on the plain bagels, and cinnamon egg wash on top of the cinnamon bagels. Cinnamon will burn without egg wash and brown sugar will burn on the pan, so don't put any brown sugar on the pan. Bake for 20 minutes at 450 Fahrenheit or 230 Celsius. If you have a conventional oven, flip the pan halfway through. The bagels have a crispy outside and soft inside. The top is a nice golden brown. My favorite is the brown sugar.